What is ketogenic diet? Ketogenic diet is basically a low carbohydrate, high fat and moderate protein diet. This means that your daily calorie intake should comprise of 5 to 7% of calories from carbohydrates, 70 to 75% from fat and 20 to 25% from protein. Where does the name keto come from? The keto or ketogenic diet derives its name from ketones. Ketones are those molecules which are produced inside our body during the fat metabolism, and this fat metabolism takes place when the body gets deprived of carbohydrates. The second question is, what is ketosis? Before understanding ketosis, we should know from where does body gets energy to do the various functions of the body. The body gets all its energy from the food we eat. The main nutrient from which the body generates energy is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates convert glucose inside the body, and this glucose acts as an energy fuel. Now, in ketogenic diet, when we consume an extremely low carbohydrate like 5 to 7% of total calorie intake or no carbohydrate, it pushes our body into a state called ketosis, where the body starts using fat as a primary energy source instead of carbohydrates. This process results in burning of fat to produce energy. What are the benefits of a ketogenic diet? There are plenty of benefits that keto diet brings along. The benefits range from fat loss, weight loss, consistent energy level throughout the day, better managed blood sugar, better brain activity and focus, reduced acne, and many other therapeutic and medical health benefits including epilepsy and insulin resistance. Does a ketogenic diet have any side effects? Ketogenic diet is normally a completely safe diet for most of the healthy individuals. However, some of us may suffer a few initial symptoms while adapting to it. It could be keto flu, digestive discomfort, decreased exercise performance, low energy levels, constipation and sleeping issues. But these symptoms usually end in a week's time once the body adapts to keto diet. Which foods to avoid on keto diet? Since we know that keto diet is carbohydrate deprived diet, we must avoid anything that is rich in carbohydrates or glucose. Examples could be sugary foods such as soda, fruit juice, fruit smoothies, sweets, wheat-based products, rice, pasta, cereals, vegetables like potato, sweet potato or carrot, and all types of fruits except berries. Which foods to consume on keto diet? There is a rich variety of food items that you can easily consume on keto diet. Paneer, tofu, chicken or eggs, butter and cream cheese, nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds and chia seeds. Healthy oils like extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil and avocado oil. Low carb vegetables like green vegetables, tomatoes, onions, bell pepper. Even if you are a vegan, there are a plenty of foods which you can consume on keto diet. In the end, keto diet is not for everyone. In many conditions, it's not as advisable to go for a ketogenic diet. People who have kidney, pancreas or liver problems, or who are at a risk of heart disease, pregnant or nursing women, people with type 1 diabetes, or anyone who has undergone gallbladder removal should not attempt keto diet.